Let's do this. Yo, what up guys? It's Colin here from CH Gadgets, and this is the LG V60 ThinQ 5G dual screen smartphone. And in this video, we're gonna unbox it and check it out. By the way, if this is your first time here and you love tech and gadgets just like I do, and you want to see all the cool new tech that I get to test and play with every week, then start now by clicking that subscribe button and tapping that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos when they drop. So before we get inside and check out all the glorious goodness that LG has made, first things first, here are the specs. You can pause the video and read it if you want, but you probably already know what this phone has to offer, since this might be like your 50th unboxing video of the LG V60 this week. The key features to highlight here are an amazing camera system, a very large OLED display, the hi-fi quad DAC, and a very large battery capacity. However, this phone has a whole lot more to offer than the features that I just mentioned. And I'm definitely gonna do a deep dive into them to see what this thing is capable of doing. But first things first, we gotta do the obligatory unboxing. Let's go. Also, shout out to my unboxing knife, the gearhead from Mantis Knife, links in the description. All right, so you know LG always do it right because they always give you that cleaning cloth. We're gonna take a closer look. You get a T-Mobile SIM card, and LG's second-year promise. So you know after your first year is up, you got a second-year backup. Accessory box, SIM ejection tool, and a couple of booklets. You also get a Type-C to Type-C charging cable and your charging brick. And that's pretty much everything in the box. Let's do that ASMR. Woo-wee. All right, there you go. Let me get these stickers. There you go. Nice, classy white. That's the camera array. Getting all kind of reflections. Some LG logo, branding. That's the side. That's the other side. And there you go. You got your headphone jack with your quad DAC built in. Microphone, your speaker port, and the USB charging port. It's fired up. But while it's being fired up, let's get a dual case. And that's what the presentation looks like. Let's also get some ASMR with this one. Ah, yeah. Ooh. That's what a shiny little case look like. Shiny. And that's the back. Also has stickers. Got a quick start guide, how to connect it. Got a little placeholder, and then you got this little tiny little guy right here. And that go on the end and connect right here, so you can charge it up. There you go. Pretty strong magnets too. Let's fire it up, set it up, and then I'm gonna let you know what's up.
Many hours later.
So I got this thing set up and I've been playing around with it for a little while, and I have to be completely honest here. I'm really impressed with my initial experience so far. This display is a 6.8 inch 1080 by 2460p OLED HDR10 Plus screen that beams 16 million beautiful colors to your eyeballs. Videos and photos looks amazing, and I'm really loving every minute of it so far. And as you can see, this nice shiny aluminum frame wrapped in Gorilla Glass 5 and Gorilla Glass 6 looks really good in this classy white, and it feels super premium too. You already know this thing has the fastest 7nm mobile chipset on the planet right now, and everything runs super smooth with zero hiccups. Try to run a few games, and yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for this review. I'm ready to put this thing through its paces so I could tell you guys what's good. So if you look right there, you can see right up top, you see the camera. It's basically a teardrop, and then you got the other camera array right on the back. Man, this thing is shiny and beautiful, but definitely shiny. Look at all the reflections. But yeah, there you got the camera, all the cameras right there, and the flash, and your time of flight sensor, and all this goodness. So yeah, as far as the cameras are concerned, I'm really impressed by what I've seen so far. The photos look good, the videos look crisp and clean, but you already know we have to put this thing to the test in order to know what it's really capable of doing. But right now, we know this thing is capable of doing 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second, 1080p HDR10 Plus, and there are a lot more cool features that I'm definitely gonna be testing more in depth. So I'll just spare you the details right now until my full review, which will be dropping soon. This is a 5G phone, so you can expect some lightning fast speeds if you're in one of those 5G hotspot zones. I'm not sure I'm gonna test this out just yet since I'm not in one of those 5G zones, but as soon as it's rolled out, I'm definitely gonna be testing that, and I'm gonna report to you guys. So the in-display fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable so far, and this phone has Bluetooth version 5.1, which means it supports all 16 or 18 Bluetooth profiles in the alphabet soup, so you can expect latency-free, high-quality audio experience. But apart from the amazing camera system that is on this smartphone, the thing that have my mouth watering the most, and I just can't wait to start using it, is the 32-bit hi-fi quad DAC that is built in. And if you're into smartphones and you're an audio head like I am, then you should already know that LG smartphones are the gold standard when it comes to reproducing crisp, detailed audio through your wired headphones. And even though LG didn't mention this on their website, and I'm not sure why they didn't, the quad DAC that is in the V60 is way more advanced than what you would find in the V50 or the G8. And this quad DAC has some groundbreaking technologies that wasn't even possible until now. But I'm definitely going to be getting in more in-depth details in my upcoming video about it. So make sure you subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on my video when it drops. So that's it guys, I just wanted to come on here and give you some of my first impressions of the LG V60 ThinQ. But you definitely got to stick around for my full review, my camera tests, my audio tests, and I'm definitely going to be doing some comparison videos with a couple other flagship phones in order to see how do they stack up. But until then, and as far as I know, this is one of the cheapest, fully featured, fully spec premium smartphones that you can get right now for $799. If you want more information or if you want one for yourself, check the link down in the description. Thanks for watching. It's your boy CH. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.